Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri kakot kakia uba Wailad Miki Shela ha kasing satjan ula persang ban Pynshai patba Halor kajing Sokya kabami na Jingkynnoh baladon kajing Pynphai Biang lani recall ya ki Dawai da kabaong baom shom ladon kanu kajing Jaka bakraw kabayadei bat ki Dawai ki baduna ha kajing ya hap kerdan lani substandard drugs ki balasam da Megalia Medical Drugs and Service Limited. Haba juba bi ki Jingkynnoh ne ki doktor Halor ka jing Pynphai Biang manla kapor ki Dawai na ki Jaka Sumar patba. Uba Wailad uloong ba kini ki jingja ki long tang katu kat ni bat bun sin kimi ina ka jing bambu hok ki Dawai ha ki Jaka Sumar. Menteri uloong ru baman kapor baki doktor ki pentip ya kanu ka jing bam ya hap ha ki Dawai la syam mardo ki sin jam bat la wengno ya ki kata ka stok Dawai klem da penslam. Ula Pynshai ru ba ka jing Pynphai Biang ka badang shen ya ki iron and folic acid tablets kam shum la yadei bat ka jing thi Dawai jong ka MMDSL hinrei ka yadei bat ki Dawai ki bala pha bet da ka ministry ki ba la Pynphai Biang hadin uba ashala ula banjur bawat la ki don kat tu kat ni ki jing ki barit ki bala banmi na ka jing thi bat jing sam Dawai hinrei shum la don kanu ka jing ja ka bakraw ka bala khta ya ka jing shngan ki nongpang.
During the review meeting, I mean, like from time to time, there are instances, and it is not like everywhere. You see, because there are some in some area, because what they used to do, the hospital, they used to indent, but that medicine was not in use for quite a long time. Then later on, then because of keeping it for so long, and there is no proper area, so that's why there is overall I would like to say is that there are some small incidents, but right now I want to assure you that there is no major incident where like medicine have been like any major issue has happened. No doubt there are small issues, because we are ordering medicine in bulk. So there are instances where like last time there some I think something came in, that some injection and all. So that one also quickly when the doctor inform us, so we send it back. But that doesn't mean that the whole batch it's the like what to say, it is a spoiled medicine.
But the doctor is saying, but when there was a recall, the notification came from the MCL, from the chairman or managing director, it seems that they have already issued the medicines to the patients. Means they have already prescribed all these medicines and they have distributed also.
No, actually that if you find out it clearly, I would just want to make it clear this, that medicine which they said they recall, it was not from the MMDSL, it is from the ministry. I don't recall exactly, but I'm also was quite concerned hearing that. I said, "Okay, how come that this medicine you already prescribed and then you recall it?" Then later on, then when I called the meeting and I tried to find out, then it was some medicine from the ministry. So that also that we recall it, and then we send the ministry, and then we also that urge them that such things should not happen.